Children, today let's start with exercise 7.2. In exercise 7.2, congruencies are all same. Which congruency? SSS, SCS, ASA, AAS, RHS. And on the basis of those congruencies, these questions are based. Clear? I am doing first question. But examples also you will do of this chapter. Examples are solved. In case if you have any problem, you can discuss with me those examples. Okay? In an isosceles triangle ABC, A, B, C. AB equal to AC. So it is given AB equal to AC. I am doing using both the questions. The bisector of angle B, angle 1 and 2 both are equal. This is bisector BO. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. It is given. Bisector of angle B. So this is bisecting angle B. Okay. And angle C. So this is bisector of angle C. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. This is bisector. So 1, 2 are equal. CO bisector. So angle 3 and angle 4 are equal. Bisectors of angle B and angle C intersect each other at O. Join A and O. Show that, what we have to show? First part, OB is equal to OC, and second part we have to show OA bisect angle A. OA bisect angle A means we have to prove angle 5 is equal to angle 6. Means angle 5 is equal to angle 6. We have to prove this also. Angle 1 and 2 are given, they are equal. Angle 3 and angle 4, it's given they are equal. We have to prove that angle 5 is equal to angle 6. Very easy. Just questions are lengthy, but they are very simple and very easy. Like you need to do practice, because theorem part I daily say that, like last 2 days so I am saying, and daily I will say कि theorem part you will do daily practice. Whatever the questions are done in the class, in the YouTube video, you will do all the questions on the regular basis. Regularly you will do. Clear? Come to proof. You know angle AB is equal to AC, it is given. If AB equal to AC, it is given, then you know angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Angle opposite to equal sides are equal. So what angle is opposite to AB? Angle C. What angle is opposite to AC? Angle B. AC के सामने B angle है, AB के सामने C angle है. So this implies angle B will be equal to angle C. Reason you will write angles opposite to equal sides are also equal. If angle B and angle C are equal, so half of angle B will be equal to half of angle C. Half of angle B is angle 2, half of angle C is angle 4. Angle 2 and angle 4 will be equal. 3, 4 equal है, so half of angle C will be angle 4. 1, 2 are equal, so half of angle B is angle 2. So 2 and 4 are equal. And you know when two angles are equal, the side opposite to equal angles will also be equal. जो दो साइड इक्वल होती हैं उनके सामने वाले एंगल भी इक्वल होते हैं. इन द सिमिलर वे जो दो एंगल इक्वल होते हैं उनके सामने वाली साइड्स भी इक्वल होती हैं. सो इफ टू एंगल्स आर इक्वल, तो द साइड अपोजिट टू इक्वल एंगल मीन्स OB. एंगल 4 के अपोजिट वी हैव OB एंड एंगल 2 अपोजिट वी हैव एंगल OC. तो OB and OC will also be equal. You can write OC is equal to OB also. Doesn't make any difference. If you write OB equal to OC or OC equal to OB, that doesn't make difference. You will write again the same. Angles opposite to equal sides, या sides opposite to equal angles. That also doesn't make difference. Here because you are taking sides, so you write here sides. Here you write. But basic concept is this only, so it doesn't make difference whether you write side or angle first, it doesn't make difference. So first part you have proved. Come to second part. Second part. You have to prove that OA bisect angle A, and you have to prove angle 5 is equal to angle 6. So for 5 and 6 you take this triangle and this triangle. Which one? I am tracking triangle AOB and triangle AOC. AB is equal to AC. Given OB equal to OC. We have proved OA equal to OA. Common. Which congruency? S congruency. Triangle AOB will be congruent with triangle AOC. By CPCT all parts will be equal. So by CPCT, if these two triangles are congruent, by CPCT angle 5 is equal to angle 6. Yeah, you can say OA bisects angle A. Easy na? Very easy. First what you will do, in this complete triangle, you know angle B is equal to AB equal to AC, it is given. If AB equal to AC, so angle B will be equal to angle C, because angle opposite to equal sides are equal. If angle B and C are equal, so half of B and half of C are equal. Half of angle B is angle 2, half of angle C is angle 4. Angle 2 and angle 4 are equal. If angle 2 angle 4 equal, so their opposite side will also be equal. Its opposite side is OB, its opposite side is OC. OB and OC will be equal. For second proof, take these two triangles. In these two triangles, AB equal to AC, given. OB equal to OC, we have proved. OA common. Which congruency? S. Triangles are congruent. By CPCT, angle 5 and angle 6 will be equal. Is it clear? Now come to question number 3rd. Question number 3rd. ABC is an isosceles triangle. We have triangle ABC. Isosceles triangle. Isosceles means two sides equal. So given is AB is equal to AC. Clear? BE altitudes. Altitude means which make angle of 90 degree, है ना? BE and CF, they are altitudes. They are making angle 90 degree. To the equal side AC and AB, we have to prove. So you have, it is also given angle E is equal to angle F 90 degree altitude. Okay. We have to prove these altitudes are equal. यानी BE altitude is equal to CF altitude. This we have to prove. Come to proof. Take this triangle and this triangle. Take triangle BFC and triangle BEC. One triangle I am marking black. One triangle I am marking this red. Tell me, which three things are equal? You know AB is equal to AC. It is given. It means angle B will be equal to angle C. Why? Angles opposite to equal angles are equal. Angle B will be equal to angle C. BC will be equal to CB, common, and angle 1 and angle 2, angle E and angle F, they are equal because both are 90 degree. So which congruency? Angle, side. So by AAS congruency, triangle BFC will be congruent with triangle BEC. So by CPCT, all parts will be equal, right? So by CPCT, BE will be equal to CF. This only you were supposed to prove. Look at once again. Take these two triangles. These are altitudes. We have to prove these altitudes are equal. Yani BE equal to CF. Take this and this triangle. AB and AC equal. So angle B will be equal to angle C. है ना? इन दोनों triangles में B and C angles are coming ना? Angle B equal to angle C because angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Angle 1 and angle 2, angle E and F both are also equal, each 90 degree. And BC common in these two triangles. AAS, angle side. So by angle side congruency, triangles both will be congruent. If they are congruent, all part equal, its BE will be equal to its CF. Clear? Any doubt? Now come to the next question, number 5. Very easy. Question number 5. ABC and DBC. BC is common, है ना? ABC and DBC are two isosceles triangle. They are isosceles triangle. If they are isosceles triangle, so AB will be equal to AC. Okay? And this BD will be equal to CD. This will be equal to this and this will be equal to this. This is also isosceles, this is also isosceles. Right? And we have to show angle ABD, this complete angle ABD, is equal to angle ACD, this complete angle ACD. Very, very simple. You know, in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. If two sides are equal, the angle opposite to equal sides are also equal. Angle 1 is opposite to AC, angle 2 is opposite to AB. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angles opposite to equal sides, they are also equal. Similarly, in triangle DB is equal to DC. So with the same reason, angle 3 will be equal to angle 4. Reason will be same. Suppose this is equation 1. Suppose this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Add equation 1 and equation 2. When we add left hand side in left hand side, right hand side in right hand side. So angle 1 plus angle 3 will be equal to angle 2 plus angle 4. What is angle 1 plus angle 3? ABD. What is angle 2 plus angle 4? ACD. So ABD is equal to ACD. This only we need to prove and we have proved. Simple na? This is isosceles triangle. AB equal to AC. So angle 1 equal to 2. Angle opposite to equal sides are equal. This is an isosceles triangle. BD is equal to DC. So angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Add. And when we add left side to left side, right side to right side of equality sign. Angle 1 plus angle 3 will be equal to angle 2 plus angle 4. 1 plus 3 is this complete B angle. 2 plus 4 is this complete C angle. Yani angle B is equal to angle C. Means ABD equal to angle ACD. This only we need to prove, and rest questions we will do in the Google Meet tomorrow. Thank you.